Are we strong enough?
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States Biological Research on the date of May 26, 2012 at the time frame of 5:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. There have been reports of a new organism. This new organism is unidentified, but scientists are still trying to figure out this mystery. This emergency applies for the following counties, the continental United States. It is advised to remain calm. If you have a ranged weapon, make sure to keep it within use. If you encounter one of these organisms,
do not interact with these organisms as they are extremely dangerous. We will keep
investigating this problem until it decreases. Thank you for your patience. There has been 1354 deaths from the new organisms. Did you move? Did you blink? Turn around.